Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing just great. And since Rakhi is coming and we are having a lot of confusions like what to buy and give someone, so I have a solution for you all. So tada! So I hope all of you want to know like what's inside it, and let me show you. So what are you waiting for, guys? This is the best opportunity right now available in the market, from which is directly coming from the manufacturer and suppliers in the hotel industry, and it's a well-known brand. So if you want to know more about it, you can check out the description box below and grab the deal, because this deal is like for Rakhi season only, and I don't know it will be continuing or not after that. So yes, I hope my information is suitable for you all and help you a little bit. So happy Rakhi to you all in advance. I hope everyone is happy this Rakhi and celebrate together with your family and siblings. Yeah, okay, bye.